FreeCAD versus LibreCAD. Which CAD program is better? Choosing the right CAD software can transform your design workflow without unnecessary complexity. FreeCAD offers 3D parametric modeling, while LibreCAD focuses on 2D drafting simplicity. FreeCAD and LibreCAD are both open-source CAD programs but serve different purposes. FreeCAD specializes in 3D parametric modeling for complex designs, whereas LibreCAD is dedicated to 2D drafting and technical drawings, making their core difference dimensionality and functionality. FreeCAD is a powerful open-source 3D parametric modeling tool designed for engineering and product design. It allows users to create detailed 3D models with parametric features, meaning you can modify your design by changing parameters and constraints easily. It supports a wide range of file formats and integrates with Python for scripting and automation. FreeCAD's modular architecture lets users extend functionality through plugins, making it versatile for various industries, including mechanical engineering and architecture. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, advanced modeling tools, and ability to handle complex assemblies. However, FreeCAD has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler CAD tools, and may feel overwhelming for users focused solely on 2D drafting. It requires a more powerful computer for smooth performance with complex projects. FreeCAD is ideal for engineers, designers, and hobbyists who need full 3D modeling capabilities and are comfortable investing time in learning a comprehensive CAD environment. For those aiming to develop parametric 3D models and simulations, FreeCAD is the go-to choice. LibreCAD is an open-source 2D CAD application focused on technical drawing and drafting. It offers a clean, user-friendly interface for creating precise 2D plans, schematics, and layouts. LibreCAD supports common CAD file formats like DXF and can export to PDF and SVG, making it compatible with many workflows. Its simplicity and lightweight design mean it runs smoothly on most computers without demanding hardware. LibreCAD's tools cover essential drafting needs such as lines, circles, arcs, layers, and dimensioning, but it does not support 3D modeling or parametric design. This limitation makes it less suitable for users requiring complex 3D projects, but perfect for architects, engineers, and designers who primarily work with 2D blueprints and schematics. LibreCAD is easy to learn and ideal for beginners or professionals who want a straightforward, no-frills drafting tool. If your focus is on fast, accurate 2D drawings without the complexity of 3D features, LibreCAD fits perfectly. FreeCAD and LibreCAD serve distinct design needs. FreeCAD excels in 3D parametric modeling, allowing detailed product designs and engineering simulations, but requires more time to learn and stronger hardware. LibreCAD shines in 2D drafting with a simple interface and lightweight performance, ideal for quick technical drawings and blueprints. For example, if you need to design a mechanical part with adjustable dimensions, FreeCAD's parametric tools are essential. In contrast, if you're drafting architectural floor plans or electrical schematics, LibreCAD offers a faster, more streamlined experience. The trade-off is between depth and simplicity. FreeCAD provides advanced 3D modeling but with complexity, while LibreCAD delivers straightforward 2D drafting without 3D capabilities. Choosing depends on your project requirements, complex 3D design or efficient 2D drafting. FreeCAD is recommended for users needing powerful 3D parametric modeling and flexibility, especially engineers and designers tackling complex, adjustable projects. LibreCAD is the best choice for those focused on precise, efficient 2D drafting with minimal learning curve and resource demands. Both tools excel in their domains, so pick FreeCAD for 3D complexity or LibreCAD for straightforward 2D workflow.